5 Best House Humidifiers 2017. Number 5. AirCarry P9800 Pedestal Style Humidifier for a whole house up to 2,400 square feet. Assembled product weight 27 pounds. Digital humidistat automatically maintains your desired humidity level. Digital readout displays actual humidity level, desired humidity level or fan speed. 9 fan speeds allows you to select your ideal performance level. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 4. Venta Air Washer LW45 humidifies dry room air while simultaneously purifying it by removing dust. For rooms up to 800 square feet. No filter or replacement items needed to operate the unit. No white dust common with other humidifiers. Auto shut off with water refill indicator light. 3-gallon capacity. 10-year warranty. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 3. April Air 700 Automatic Humidifier. Has an evaporation capacity of 0.75 gallons per hour. Among the highest capacity humidifiers sold. Humidifies tightly constructed homes up to 4,200 square foot in size. Features truly automatic control. Delivers optimum levels of humidity control. Performs quietly with simple annual maintenance. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 2. AirCare Mod 1201 Console Style Humidifier for a whole house up to 3,600 square feet. Digital humidistat automatically maintains your desired humidity level. Automatically shuts off when desired humidity level is reached. Easy to clean. Evaporative wick traps mineral deposits. Smooth operation. Weight 18.5 pounds. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 1. White Rogers HSP 2600 Comfort Plus 240-volt steam-powered whole house humidifier with flushing timer and filter. For use in 1850 square foot minimum house. Steam-powered. Flushing timer. Weight 18.1 pounds. Rated output 26 gallon per day. Please check the description for detail and prices.